Carrots, carrots! We grow them in Oregon. Carrots! We eat them in school. Carrots, carrots, carrots! Crunchy, crunchy carrots! I'm Giselle, and today in the Rootopia Farm kitchen, my brother and I are cooking with carrots. That's my brother Hank. He likes to eat all veggies, so of course he's going to love this recipe. Roasted parsnips and carrots. Roasted carrots are awesome and rich in beta-carotene. Beta what? Beta-carotene is stuff that's good for your eyes. Like really good, X-ray vision good. Carrots grow in a rainbow of colors, but they all grow under the soil like this. That's a big carrot. That's not a carrot, that's a parsnip. But they are both root vegetables. Hank and I are gonna roast these root veggies. Washed ones, that is. We eat roasted carrots a lot, especially in the fall when root veggies are sweetening under the cool autumn soil. For this recipe, first peel the root veggies. Then cut both veggies into little, long lengths. Hank likes doing the parsnips, and I like cutting the carrots. Parsnips and carrots goes into the bowl. Then mix them with a tablespoon of oil. Sprinkle in a mixture of salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and mix that up really good. Thanks, Hank. Roasting time. Place veggies in a single layer on a large baking sheet. Be careful not to overcut the pan. Hank. In the oven it goes to get caramelized and soft for about 20 to 30 minutes. Yum! Caramelized carrots and parsnips. We love eating and roasted carrots. And if we don't eat all this with lunch, we'll get to eat more with our dinner tonight. Right, Hank? To learn more about carrots, search Oregon Harvest for schools.